Hello dear friends, this was the problem that I had started in my previous video. Then I had calculated the interest amount as well as the depreciation, which was to be calculated at 10% on the cash price and 5% of interest rate on the balance payment. This is how we had calculated this interest amount as well as the depreciation amount. So along with that, what we had done, we had passed on the journal entries in the books of Madhu. Madhu was the purchaser, and we had the machines limited, it was the seller. So we had recorded the journal entries in the books of Madhu, who is the purchaser, and today I am going to take up the same problem, and then we are going to transfer or record the transactions in the books of the seller, that is the machines limited. So these were the journal entries in the books of Madhu for all the 3 years. So with the same information, today I will record the journal entries in the books of the machine limited. So let us start journal entries in the books of machines limited. Now here the machines limited is the seller, and he is the seller. He is selling the goods worth 8,000 rupees, in which 7,450 rupees is the principal amount, which is the value of the asset, and again he is getting 550 rupees, which is mentioned here. 550 rupees he is getting in the form of interest on the outstanding balance, right? So what we are going to make here, we are going to make the entry here like this. The entry will be here a Madhu's account debit to sales account, how much? 7,450, to interest suspense account, how much? 550, right? So here what is the narration? The narration is the goods has been sold on the installment system, right? So here the journal entry will be like this. So the journal entry will be a Madhu's account debit to sales account to interest suspense account, right? After that, if we see, the seller receives how much? The seller is receiving 2,000 rupees in advance from the purchaser. So what would be the transaction for this? The transaction for this would be cash account debit to Madhu's account. How much is that? It is 2,000 rupees. The narration would be what? The narration would be the advance is being received from the purchaser, right? So first here transaction, again cash account to Madhu's account 2,000 rupees, and this transaction is for what? This transaction is for the advance received, right? After that, what happens? The first installment is paid by, it is paid by Madhu. It is paid by Madhu. So what would be the transaction for that? It would be again same, cash account debit to Madhu account, and the narration will be what? Being the first installment received from the purchaser, right? So it will be like this. So cash account to Madhu account, how much it is? It is 2,000 rupees. And in the same year, if we see, interest of 272 rupees, which is mentioned here, 272 rupees was paid by, it was paid by the purchaser, I mean by Madhu, to the seller, right? So what would be the transaction for this? It would be interest suspense account debit to interest account, right? And hence what came in the narration? The narration can be being interest transferred from the suspense account, right? So this would be the journal entry for that. That is, interest suspense account will get debited by 272 and interest account credited by 272. Now this interest of 272, it will be transferred to profit and loss account. Hence the transaction will be interest account debit to profit and loss account, right? How much is the amount? The amount is 272. So this is all what has happened in the first year. Now if we go to the second year, what is the first transaction? The first transaction would be based on the installment paid. the first installment is already paid. Now it is the second installment, and the second installment is of how much amount? It is of 2000 rupees, right? Then we have again interest of 186 rupees, and then we have depreciation of 670 rupees. So we are going to make transaction for all these, right? Now for the second installment, what should be the journal entry? The journal entry should be cash account debit to Madhu account, which I have already shown you. That is for the second year, for 2000 rupees of installment, cash account debit to Madhu's account. What you can write down here, narration, being second installment received from purchaser, right? So being second installment which is received from the purchaser. So this was for what? This was for the installment paid. And then we have the interest. Now for interest, as I shown in the previous year only, it is interest suspense account debit to interest account. How much is the amount? The amount is 186, right? 186, and we are going to write down the narration as being interest transferred from this suspense, and this is the transaction for this. This is the journal entry for this. What is that? Interest suspense account debit to interest account, and the amount is how much? 186, and the same interest will be now transferred to what? The same interest amount 186 will be transferred from this interest account to the profit and loss account, right? So that time interest account will be debited and profit and loss account will get credited by how much amount? By the same amount of 186 rupees. That is interest account debit to profit and loss account. Now we are going to the third year, that's the last year, when we are paying the last installment of how much? 2000 rupees. What should be the transaction? The transaction should be cash account debit to Madhu account. So yeah, for what we are going to write in the narration, being the third installment received from Madhu or from the purchaser, right? The transaction, the journal entry will be like this: cash account debit to Madhu account 2000 rupees. What should be the narration? As I said, being third installment received from the purchaser. After that we have interest amount. How much is the interest amount here? After that we have the interest amount which we are paying here. The interest amount here is 92 rupees, right? Who is this? It is Madhu who is paying 92 rupees to the Machines Limited, right? So for this interest amount we are going to write down interest suspense account debit to interest account, right? And the amount is how much? And the amount is 192 rupees, right? Interest suspense account to interest account debit is debit interest account. How much is the amount? The amount is 92 rupees. Then same amount, this amount 92 rupees, this is going to be transferred to the profit and loss account for the third year, and hence interest account debit to profit and loss account. How much is the amount? The amount is 92 rupees. Thank you so much for watching this video. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Do like, comment and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.